Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone GT7 Pro with space exploration design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 8TL TPO Eco 2 OLED plus micro quad curved display, 6.78 inches 1.5K punch hole display, resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels, approximately 92.8% screen to body ratio, approximately 450 ppi pixel density, 6000 nits local peak brightness, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony IMX906 sensor main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 73mm Sony IMX882 sensor 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.65 and support optical image stabilization, and with 8 megapixel 16mm Sony IMX355 sensor ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2 with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 25mm Sony centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device, and the company promises up to 3 major Android updates and up to 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.45 by 76.89 by 8.55 millimeters, and it weighs around 222.8 grams, and the color options: gray, white, orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 120 watt, smart flash charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with ultralinear dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. Next, AI features like sketch to image, motion deblur, AI snap mode will boost your photography and image editing, AI portal, AI call summary, AI recording summary, AI eliminate, AI smear, dual VC cooling system support, and with multifunctional NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme GT7 Pro has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,899 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,299 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 1TB storage variant at 4,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme GT7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.